Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve Chinese with HelloChinese easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by downloading the HelloChinese app from your device's app store. Open the app and create a free account if you haven't already done so. After logging in, complete the initial language assessment to gauge your current skill level. Once you have your level, the app will recommend personalized lessons tailored to your needs. Begin with the basics by exploring the courses section. Select a course that focuses on conversational Mandarin. Engage with the interactive lessons that include listening, speaking, reading, and writing exercises. Take advantage of the voice recognition feature to practice pronunciation. Repeat words and phrases until you feel comfortable with them. Use the built-in flashcards to reinforce vocabulary retention. Experiment with the practice section to improve your speaking and listening skills in real time. Join the games section to make your learning process enjoyable through quizzes and challenges. Regularly check your progress in the profile section to stay motivated and track improvements. Set aside consistent time each day for practicing your skills using the app. Don't hesitate to revisit previous lessons to reinforce understanding. Explore the cultural tips, connect with other learners in the community forum for additional practice and support. Utilize the app's daily reminders to keep yourself accountable. Lastly, make sure to have fun and enjoy the journey of learning Chinese with HelloChinese. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.